What is KVM, kernel-based virtual machine, and how does it work? Imagine running multiple computers inside one physical machine, each with its own operating system. That's what virtual machines do, and KVM is one of the tools that makes this possible. If you've ever wondered how servers can host many different operating systems at once, KVM might be the secret behind it. KVM stands for Kernel-based Virtual Machine. It is an open-source technology that turns the Linux kernel into a hypervisor. A hypervisor is software that creates and manages virtual machines on a physical computer. KVM is classified as a Type 1 hypervisor, meaning it runs directly on the hardware without needing an extra operating system layer. This setup gives it high performance and better security. To understand how KVM works, think about what it needs to do. First, the processor must support hardware virtualization, like Intel Virtualization Technology or AMD Virtualization. These features help KVM create virtual environments efficiently. It uses these hardware features to split the physical hardware into multiple virtual hardware sets. Each virtual machine gets its own virtual CPU, memory, storage, and network interfaces. Since KVM is part of the Linux kernel, it uses Linux's built-in features for managing memory, processes, and security. This integration makes KVM very efficient because it doesn't need extra layers of software. When you create a virtual machine with KVM, it appears as a regular Linux process. Each VM runs independently with its own operating system and applications, just like a physical machine. KVM makes it easy to manage virtual machines. You can start, stop, pause, and move VMs around with simple commands. It also supports live migration, which means moving a running VM from one physical server to another without shutting it down. This is very useful in data centers and cloud environments where uptime is important. In terms of use cases, KVM is popular in cloud computing because it can scale easily. It helps companies run multiple servers on one physical machine, saving space and energy. Developers also use KVM to test different operating systems or software setups without needing extra hardware. When it comes to installing and setting up an operating system, KVM makes it simple to deploy different OS images. You can quickly create new virtual machines with different operating systems like Windows, Linux, or even older versions for testing. This flexibility is a big advantage in managing diverse environments. Overall, KVM is a powerful, open-source way to run many virtual machines on a single Linux server. It combines hardware support, Linux's efficiency, and easy management to make virtualization accessible and reliable for many different needs.